Pokeball! It's going far away. Hey! It's dead again. The red one. It's gonna run dead somewhere that I can't find it, like behind the couch or somewhere like that. Oh, I forgot, but I'm still in it run completely dead. Ah! There's weasels on there. Ew, 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 ew. Pokeball. Pokemon. I think the blue and orange will be charged soon. Oh, then that orange and blue will need to be charged. This one, because it's so slow.